Hello guys and welcome back. Today I'll show you how to download gcam on your device. Firstly, you need to find the compatible gcam APK for your device from a trusted developers like YourNext05 VSG or Arnova 8G2. Use reliable sources such as forums like XDA, developers, or specific gcam communities. Save the APK file to your device. Now, open your phone settings and go to Security or Privacy. Go to Security and Privacy, then toggle on Install Unknown Apps for the browser or file manager. Navigate to the downloaded file and tap the APK file, then install it. And once you install it, just open the app. You should now see the new Google camera on your device. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.